Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload an image to Canva. Once you're inside Canva, you want to go ahead and ensure that you're in your design. If you don't know how to reach the design, let me show you how. So once you're inside Canva, you will see from the home section here that there is few options at the top here. So here you'll have a bunch of different buttons, and if you look towards the right, you have a custom size and you also have upload media. You can click on that and it's going to allow you to upload your file. So you can simply click on upload file, choose whatever file you want. So let's say I want to upload this picture here or this thumbnail here. I can click on it and just simply go ahead and say use in design or edit image. Let's say I want to use this in my design. I can simply go ahead and say use in a design, and I want to choose the custom size or whatever it is. So it could be, for example, a YouTube thumbnail, whatever. And I'm going to use this as an example. So as this is a YouTube thumbnail, I'm going to simply type in YouTube, and you should see that it gives you a bunch of options here. So here you can see that it shows YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to open up a new window, and it's going to allow me to use that in my design. So now you can see that it even adds it onto the canvas here, and from here I can go ahead and I can start to work. So if you want to upload an image in Canva and you want to use it in your design, you can use it. You don't necessarily have to take this approach because you can always choose to upload. So let's say if you're in a blank design, you can also click upload on the left hand side and you can choose to upload. As you can see, I have a few files here that I upload or a few images that I upload. Just go ahead and click upload file and find a file on your PC that you want. So I'm going to choose, for example, this one now, and you will see that it loads that into Canva. But that's how easy it is, guys. It's very easy and very simple. That's how to upload an image on Canva.